What's up guys, welcome to Top Phone For You. In today's video I've got the latest flagship from Samsung, and this is the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and I'm just gonna go through an unboxing and see what's inside the box, and we'll check the few camera settings and show you a few sample of some images. So without wasting any time, let's have a look at what we have. So as you can see, we have the S for the Samsung Galaxy S22 at the front there, and then we have the S22 Ultra. On the side we have the Galaxy S22 Ultra written on there. When you open up the box, you're presented with the phone itself. Let's take it up. Inside the box, we have this panel, and it comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable, as you can see there. And we have a quick starter guide from Samsung. We have the SIM ejecting tray in there. On the side, as you can see there's nothing there. At the top we have a microphone, and then on the other side we have the volume up and down and the power button. At the bottom there we have the S Pen, the speaker grill, USB-C, and the SIM card tray. So let's pop it out. So you just have to be careful because there is to hold, there is the microphone on the side there as well. So just make sure you put your SIM ejecting tool on the one with the tray to pop the SIM card tray out. So this only supports SIM 1 and SIM 2 tray. There is no micro SD slot on this SIM card tray. It's a very nice back, a nice feel at the back. No fingerprint at all, so we really see finger marks on it. In terms of the camera, it comes with a quad setup camera. So we have the 108 megapixel wide camera in the middle there, and 10 megapixel periscope up to 10 times zoom camera. And we have 12 megapixel ultra wide on the top, and then we have the 10 megapixel telephoto camera, and then we have the LED flashlight. At the front we have a 6.8 dynamic AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate with HDR10 plus. It has a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus screen protection, then with a 40 megapixel wide camera at the front. When you first set up the phone, the screen resolution is set to Full HD+, but to change it you have to go onto the display settings, and then change that to WQHD plus if you want to take advantage of that high res screen. And then on the navigation bar, you can choose to have either buttons or the gesture. Then you got the screen mode, you can change it to natural or vivid. And on the smoothness at the moment is set to adaptive, but you can change it to standard, which will extend your battery life by setting the refresh rate to 60 frames per second. In terms of the cameras, we have portrait mode there. And they have the normal photo, that's ultra wide. And then normal zoom, we've got 3x zoom. And then we have 10x zoom there. So and then we have video recording, and then you can record HD, full HD is 60 frames per second. Then you go ultra HD 30 frame, ultra HD 60, and you have you can record at 8K high resolution at 24 frames per second. And then if you tap on more, you have the pro mode, which gives you extra features if you want to play about to adjust on there. You can adjust the autofocus, the white balance, shutter speed, the ISO. You can play about a few menu there. You have the pro video as well. And then when you go back onto the settings, you have a few options there you could play with. At the bottom you have the S Pen, it's just a preset to take it out. And then once you take out, you can just write on there. You can hear it makes a sound when you write. Now on the side we have the S Pen menu. On the side you can create notes, smart select, the screen write, which will allow you to grab a screenshot and then write on there, put notes, and if you want to show any direction or anything, and then save it and share it with anyone you want. We have live messages. This is where you can take a picture, and then you can just draw anything you want. And then when you do done, then it does a small animation, and then you can share it. Another option you have there, you can have the translate, which allow you to translate from and choose what language you want to translate from. So I'm just gonna choose simplify Chinese and then open the camera. It just points out at the text. As you can see there, it's translated that box. It's quite handy if you want to translate a few messages on the go. You can add more shortcut to the screen if you want. You can add the coloring option, and then when you go back, you have that there. Which you can just recall. And here you can just, if you want to do some coloring. Do let me know what you think of the new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget, if you're new to my channel, to hit the subscribe button and enable notification for my latest video. Thank you for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.